Located about an hour north of Silver City, twisting and winding Route 15 takes you over the volcanic calderas at high elevations to the Gila Cliff Dwellings National Monument. Surprise! The Visitor Center is located several miles from the cliff dwellings, but it's a great stop for information. Continuing on with vistas of extinct volcanoes worn by time, we reach the parking lot and views of the openings in the cliff overhangs. The lengthy drive to and from this awesome set of caves set beneath the rock overhangs was well worth the time. The 1-mile loop hike up and back leads you through stones, steep parts, and easy level sections. The ancient Mogollon dwellings date back to 1275 to 1300. Very few archaeological sites like this allow visitors to actually enter the fragile homes of these ancient indigenous Americans. Oh yes. And notice the T-shaped door opening. Indicating what, that they were Apaches? It may have been a 25-year drought that convinced the 10 to 15 families to look elsewhere for their home.
These steps are kind of tilted backwards. Come on up.
I am. The south-facing rooms and the overhang made for shade during the hot summer months and welcome warm sun in the winter.
Someone else coming to you because they're taking pictures.
Okay. Any more pictures you want to take? Maybe.
These ancient rooms, staffed by friendly park rangers, give advice and history to hikers of all abilities.
Welcome.
What a nice place to work.
I mean, my window. First of all, the resources, but also it's quite pleasant up here. You know, it's cold down in the trailhead, but up here, actually, this is probably the windiest corner. But for the most part, you can take your jacket off, and it's very nice. You can go up, and in that bin is some interesting artifacts.
Oh, okay.
And once you do that, I can tell you about it.
Okay.
Corn cobs?
Yes, it is original corn. Not original location, but it is original to where it was. They were scattered about. We collected them in there for safety.
Chief Geronimo of the Badongahoe band of Chiricahua Apache Indians was born in this area in the early 1820s. He and his small band of warriors sought refuge in this area during the 24-year Apache Wars. Learn more about them by seeing our video of the Chiricahua National Monument. Thank you for visiting.